But yeah, this is a wig that I got from my vendor. I washed it, conditioned it, and let it air dry. And this is how it look straight out after air drying. I haven't brushed it, I haven't did anything to it. This how it look. I did go ahead and pluck it and cut the lace. And I'm just styling it. So yeah, this is the little style that I'm going with right now. And I cut some little edges out on it. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and style her. And I'm planning on using this vendor for my business. So y'all, I'm just gonna take y'all along the journey with me. So this is the wig I'm gonna have on. I don't want to hear nothing. Oh my God, you had that wig on for so long. You're not gonna change that wig up because I got a bunch of wigs. I can change them, but I want to go ahead and test her out and see what she's like. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on and we'll go from there. I'm just laying my lace down. Right now I got this lace, these wig caps, Amazon. They came in a little package.
She look like that too.
Like this. I love these, y'all. I love them. Hopefully this turned out right. It looks so cute. Amazing. I'm going in with the Ghost Bun lace glue. Okay, I done laid the wig, y'all. I ain't really do too much more styling to it, but as y'all can see, it's super neat. It's so neat. Hold up. My phone got focused. It's super neat, y'all. So after leaving this on for an hour, I'll be back and we can see the finished results. We're gonna see the finishing results. I might style it on TikTok, so y'all might have to go there because we gotta keep all the content. We gotta keep content everywhere, all content everywhere. So yeah, y'all might have to do that. I'm gonna drop my TikTok right here so y'all can see. And yeah, I'll be back. Okay, y'all, it's almost been an hour since I had my band on. I'm about to go ahead and flatten the parts that need to be flattened. With that, I do a little bit. This almost gone. Good Lord, I just sprayed them inside this. I use this lace mill spray, a wax stick, of course, and some mousse to lay it. Milk spray on my lace. Had to take it off and then spray it after I put the band on, because instead of going back to do it, it really does is a good hold. It got a good hold on it. So
where you at, girl?
Just like that. Bam. Y'all see how flat that is? I'm gonna turn around to the back so y'all can see. It's super flat. You want it to be really, really flat. We ain't doing no up here. Do y'all see my ring? I love it. I love it. I love it. But while I'm waiting on my band to finish drying and stuff.
Where you at? Where you at?
Y'all see what I did in my nose ring? I switched it out.
Where you at? Nigga, where you at? Oh, you behind me.
But anyway, we're gonna yeah, like I said, y'all, I might style this over on TikTok. So y'all might want to just go over to my TikTok and watch it. And yeah, like I said, this is gonna be, if this wig works out like I need it to, this is gonna be a wig for my collection, my wig collection.
Who the fuck is this nigga right here?
Then I'm about to start a customized wig.
Who this nigga right here?
I don't want to just sell bundles and hair. I want to sell, like, you know, customized wigs. So this is my plan. So if this work out, if this her work out, then
cool.
y'all will be seeing me launching a brand really, really soon.
You got about one, nigga?
But yeah,
got about one.
this is a 30-inch. Look at that. Just look how beautiful that is. And this with no product on. This ain't got no product on the end.
Oh, that nigga in her too.
Nothing.
This nigga ready.
I'ma get back with y'all in a minute
Probably inside this.
and show y'all how this lace is laid, and then we're gonna move from there.
Yo, he got
It's been about an hour,
bitch
like
ass.
45 minutes. But look,
This
this is it's tight on my head, so we about to go ahead and take this up off of here.
So how the fuck the skinny nigga respond inside the hotel?
Oh God. Oh God, it's always. Oh, I thought it was gonna be white right there. I was finna have a fit, but y'all see that lace gone. But of course, y'all know I gotta hit it with that makeup because that's the only part I did not hit with the makeup. Pull these hairs up. We're gonna count them hairs out. But we're finna go ahead and, you know, do what I gotta do. And then we're gonna go ahead and go to TikTok and finish it. But we're gonna go ahead and put this makeup on it first. So, yeah.
How the fuck you respond back in that hoe though? But they put me on the roof.
Y'all see it. Y'all see it. I don't have to do too much. Just a little dibbity dab, dab, dab. This ain't even, I ain't putting no more makeup on this.
I'm dead like a motherfucker, nigga.
Can y'all see that? I'm trying to let it focus. Y'all see that? Quit playing. Eat every time. It eat every time. Every time it's gonna eat. What y'all think? What y'all think? Is it kind of, you know, giving what it's supposed to give up here? I think it's like similar, but we're gonna go ahead because this is not how I'm gonna be wearing my bun. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with the ponytail right now, but we're gonna go ahead and take some edges out, not too many. This gonna be our edge right here. I'll do my edges on here with y'all. Yeah. Okay. But okay, I'm gonna meet y'all at TikTok where I can finish this up and get this over with. Cause yeah, it's about to take me there.
Oh, y'all should have got
See y'all.